students. Welcome to you all in your English lecture. So dear students, let's continue with our chapter 1.5, a Kabaddi match. So students, in our previous lecture we have already started with the new chapter, a Kabaddi match. And I have explained to you all that this Kabaddi match is between 9th A and 9th B class. Now, so students, as I have told you all that the match began with 9th A winning the toss. And Mangesh from 9th A, who was very strong player, and all thought that Mangesh 9th A would lose Mangesh. But Mangesh proved his mettle. He was on the ground with anti-raiders catching hold of his waist. But all the anti-raiders with all their might were trying their best to pull Mangesh back. But with great determination and without losing his breath, without losing his hope, Mangesh successfully touched the midline. And there were cheers in the air. So students, as I have told you all that 9B was the favorite team among all because they had very strong players in their team. But 9th A, this year, because of three new students, those three players were outstanding. And hence Mangesh proved his mettle, which means Mangesh proved that he is good at doing something by succeeding in difficult situation. So Mangesh not only saved himself, but he was able to score 3 points for his team as Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were also declared out. So Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, this belongs from team 9B. Those were the strongest player. But Mangesh proved his mettle and these three were declared out. Now let's proceed further. I request you all to kindly open your textbook, page number 14. Now 9B began to play cautiously. So students, what do you mean by cautiously? Cautiously means without taking risk. So 9B began to play without taking risk. Mihir, one of their raiders, even managed to tag Sohan in 9th A. 9B was the favorite one among all because this team had very strong player. But hence Mangesh proved his mettle and three of the strongest player from team 9B were declared out. So now 9B began to play cautiously. They don't want to take any risk. So Mihir, one of the raiders from 9B, managed to tag Sohan in 9th A. Nothing much happened in the next few raids. Now it was Vivek raid. He always played with strategies and they worked fine. The remaining three players from 9B trapped Vivek. He slowly moved back towards his court. The three anti-raiders also moved with him. When they caught his arm and were trying to pull him back, Vivek slipped his leg beyond the midline with the anti-raiders still hanging on to his arm. Oh, the whole of the 9B team was declared out. See students, it's not necessary that the team who has very strongest player, they will win every time. No, we should not have overconfidence. So 9B team, they were overconfident that this time also they will win. Okay, but in this case, what happened? First, Mangesh, a strong player from 9th A, he proved himself. He not only saved himself, but he scored 3 points for his team. And Ravi, Mohan and Ajinkya, who were holding him, were declared out. Then further, Mihir from 9B managed to take Sohan from 9th A. After this came Vivek's raid. So the remaining 3 players from 9B caught his arm and tried to pull him back. Who? Vivek. Vivek belongs from 9th B, the 9th A. But he went across the midline with the anti-raiders hanging onto his arm. Thus, the whole of the 9B team was declared out. Now, the whole team of 9B was declared out because this time the winners were 9th A. Okay, so 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona. Now, students, what do you mean by Lona? Extra points. Lona means extra points. It was an icing on the cake. What an enviable score. Icing on this cake, icing on the cake, this is an idiom or phrase which means something extra added to make something that is good. So this time the 9th A team were winners because they had played outstanding. Okay, and they were not overconfident as 9th B team. So 9th A had actually managed to get 3 more bonus points of Lona, and it was an icing on the cake. What an enviable score! It sets the head of 9B Riskling. After the halftime break, the star players of 9th A were full of confidence. Once again, they managed to catch hold of the ace raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi. 9th A outplayed 9B in all the areas of Kabaddi. Their team spirit, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, suppleness helped them to beat 9B, who had never tasted defeat earlier. So students, as I have told you all that in the second half, the 9th A team was full of confidence as all the team members of 9B were declared out. The team players were declared out. So once again they managed to catch hold of the ace raiders Mohan, Ajinkya and Ravi, and finally 9th A team won the match. So the team spirit of 9th A, their confidence, their strategies, their swiftness, their suppleness helped them to beat 9th B. The 9B team who had never tasted defeat earlier. Defeat means failure. 9B team has never tasted failure earlier. Never tasted defeat earlier. But this time they have to taste defeat. Why? Because of the overconfidence. And 9th A, they outplayed, they were outstanding. Their confidence, their team spirit, their strategies that helped them to beat 9B. Now students, I hope you have understood this beautiful lesson, a Kabaddi match, very well. Now just turn your page, just open your textbook page number 15. Yes children, on page number 15, here is some information given about the sport Kabaddi. Let's have a look on it. Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It originated in India and has now become popular in many countries. So dear students, Kabaddi is an ancient sport. It is originated in India and has now become popular in many countries. So that many international events are organized. In these events, international rules are followed. But several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Jamini, Amar, etc. are followed in different parts of India. In Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. So, dear students, in the beginning only I have given the introduction of the sport Kabaddi. In that I have told that in Kabaddi this game is played between two teams and each team consists of 7 players and they faced each other in a flat rectangular court which is divided by a midline. The game is usually played in two halves with a half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. To play the game, each team sends raiders across the midline to the other team. So to play this game, each team sends the raiders across the midline to the other team. The raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side, all in one breath, to show that he hasn't inhaled again. He has to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time. So, students, you might have seen the game Kabaddi. You might have played this game. So, while playing this game, you have to chant Kabaddi 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 all the time. Okay? Without inhaling again. All in one breath. If he has to inhale again, he is out. So while playing this game, while you have to chant Kabaddi Kabaddi all the time, and if he inhale again, he is out. So we should not inhale while playing this game. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half time till he loses his breath and has to inhale again. If the raider managed to go back successfully, all the person he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. For each player declared out, the opposite team scores a point. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points, a lona. So 9th A and 9B, this sport was between two teams, and 9th A, they won bonus points, extra points, which is known as alona. Okay, why? Because the 7 players of 9th B, they were declared out. So if they declared out, the opposite team gets bonus points. If all the players are declared out of the opposite, then the opposite team gets bonus points. The team with the maximum points wins the match. So 9th A, they were having the maximum points, so they won the match. And the opposite team means 9th B, they all players were declared out. So the opposite team of the 9th B, that is 9th A, they won the bonus points. The game of Kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice, and above all, great determination. Indian girls and boys have always excelled at Kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace Kabaddi player when you are a little older? Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory for your school, district, or even the state and the country. So if you have the hobby of playing the games like Kabaddi and all, you should build up it now. You should practice it. You should have great determination. Then one day you may help win glory for your school, for your district, or even the state and the country. So dear students, I hope you have understood this beautiful chapter very well. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till that, stay connected, stay safe.